of the INFINITI Engineering Academy, China 2018 is Jiachun Zhu.
I don't believe this. I win INFINITI Engineering Academy Chinese final. I am in shock. So today there are in total 10 candidates. We had 5 different challenges, an interview, a test, and we also had the media challenge. The dragster challenge, in short, is a drag race. What you need to do is tune the suspension and decide which gear you should use to make the car go faster. When hearing my name, I feel like, first, unreal. Second, probably my life is going to change after this.